Hello everyone. This is the 18th video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how we can update our freelancer profile. Here you can see I already run my project, and in this video we will discuss about how we can change this profile picture, how we can change this entire data, whether it is name, mobile number, email address, LinkedIn, education, everything. Okay, so these things we discuss in this video. In our previous video, we discussed about how we can show our freelancer profile through our session, and that previous video, in 16th video, we discussed about how we can manage our session. Okay, so let's start this video. So first thing we have to do, we have to come to our freelancer profile.jsp. Here you can see profile freelancer.jsp, and here you can already see here there is a form. Okay, and in that form we show this all kind of data. Here you can see this one all kind of data we show here. So for showing or for updating that particular kind of data from here, we have to do, if we want to also update this kind of image, so for that we have to put here the one input tag, so we can choose the particular image from there. So here you can see this one is our div. I'm trying to execute the input tag below of that div. Okay, so input type is equal to file, and let's check it out where it is showing on our web page. I'm just close it and refresh this page. Okay, and here you can see this one is showing on here, so we have to change the particular location of this. I'm just trying to put in this div. Okay, I'm just putting here, enter and paste here, and just refresh from here. Let's check it out. Refresh, and here you can see this one come on below. So we have to update this all things. So first thing we have to do, we have to come to our profile freelancer, and here we have to change the mapping. Here you can see update profile app. I am writing it as a update freelancer profile. Okay, and we have to copy these things and come to our controller. Here you can see freelancer controller, and here for handling that kind of form we have to execute the method here. Okay, so I'm just writing here as a public string update profile. Okay, then we have to write these things, and above of that we have to write it as a request mapping, and in this request string we have to write it as a value. In that value we have to write our action, then comma, then method, then request method dot post, because we're posting that particular data in our database. Okay, then in that update profile we have to mention the model attribute annotation. We already discussed in our previous video, model attribute annotation used to put data into database through our HTML form. Okay, so C1. Okay, we have to put here this one, then freelancer, which one our class name, then C1. Okay, and we have to declare here one method. Before that, here you can see we from here we also uploading the file. Okay, so we have to mention here enc type. So I just simply copy that enc type from here. Okay, so here you can see this one is a form, and I'm just copy this enc type. Okay, this one is need whenever we upload the file with our form. Okay, so this kind of things we need here. Okay, so I simply paste here. Then we have to come to our freelancer controller, and here we have to give the comma, then we have to write it as a request param. Then in that request param I'm just writing as a file name, then multi-part file, then file name. Okay, so this kind of things we have to write here. We have to simply copy this file name from here and come to the freelancer profile freelancer.jsp, and here you can see this one is our input tag, and we have to give the name attributor. So name is equal to this one. Okay, so we have to provide here file name, as well as we have to check that our email is our is name attribute incorrect or not in other input field. Okay, so we have to check it one by one. Okay, So in input, here you can see this one is our first input, and this one is showing us first name. So here the name is as a F name, so we have to change it as a name. Then second, I'm just checking here name, then mobile number. Here you can see a phone, so we have to write it as a number because we taking as a number. Then email, we have to change it as a email. We have to remove just F from here. Okay, then education, then charge, then skills. Okay, skill is as it is. So I think everything is okay. Now we move forward to our controller, and here I already discussed in our file uploadation video. Here you can see this one. You have to check out this video, file uploadation video, that our file uploadation code is similar in our entire file uploadation task. Okay, so if you didn't watch that video, I request you to please watch this video because I really very well explained in that particular video. Okay, so we have to come to controller, and from here we have to simply copy the file uploadation code. Here you can see in register mapping, we have to simply copy this entire code from here. Okay, this one is the ending of that particular code, so we have to copy that and we have to paste that entire code into this one. Okay, update profile, we have to declare as a thrown declaration, so add thrown declaration here. It is used for the exception handling. Then we have to mention here our method here for get data into database. Okay, for update data into database. So I'm just writing as a pd, that is a project object, and I'm just writing as a update freelancer profile, and in this we have to mention the model attribute object, so c1. Okay, then we have to hover on it and it will show us create method on a project DAO. So simply click on that, and here you can see the method is came here. Then we have to write here the SQL query. Okay, so for that I'm just writing here as a t1 dot update because we're posting data into database, and here we have to fire the update query of SQL. Okay, so if you learn SQL, you know that query. Okay, so I'm just writing it as a update freelancer. This is our table name, then set, and we have to mention each and every value. Okay, I'm just opening my database, and here you can see this one is our value: name, email, number, date, LinkedIn, education, profile, app, charge, gender, skills, password, and confirm password. We update only these things: name, email. Here you can see these kind of things we update from here: profile, name, mobile number, email address, LinkedIn, education. Okay, we don't update here the date of birth as well as the email password and confirm password, but in your case you can do that. Okay, so I'm just writing here the update freelancer set name is equal to single colon double colon plus plus c1 dot get name. Okay, then we have to set a comma, then email is equal to single colon double colon plus plus c1 dot get email. Okay, then we have to write a comma, then number is equal to single colon double colon plus plus c1 dot get number. Okay, then we have to put here comma. I'm just checking my database. Okay, so name, email, numbers, we don't set the date, so we have to write here as a LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn, I just want to check the spelling one more time: LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn is equal to single colon double colon plus plus c1 dot get LinkedIn. Okay, then which kind of column is that? Education and profile F. Okay, so next column is the education, so comma here, and education is equal to single colon double colon plus plus c1 dot get education. Then we have to comma here, and then profile F, which is a freelancer profile F is equal to single colon double colon plus plus c1 dot get profile F. Okay, then we have to give the comma, and let's check it out our column name. So after profile, the charge. Okay, charge, then skills. I think here you can see the charge and skills. Okay, the two things is remember. So I'm just writing as a charge is equal to single colon double colon plus plus c1 dot get charge, then skills, last one, skills is equal to single colon double colon plus plus c1 dot get skills. Okay, we have to put the semicolon on the last. Okay, just check it out one more time. So name is equal to get name, email is equal to get email, number is equal to get number, LinkedIn is equal to get LinkedIn. Okay, everything is set. Education is equal to get education, then profile f is equal to profile f. Okay, charge equal to get charge, and skills equal to get skills. Okay, so everything is set. Let's come to our controller. Okay, and we have to write here as a return. Okay, so whenever the user the update the profile, we have to redirect on a something, some kind of page after that process. Okay, so I'm just writing it as a return as I'm just checking here, logout freelancer. Okay, so whenever update user update their profile, it their account will be get logout. Why I'm just logout from here? Because we already discussed here in our profile freelancer, we take this entire data through our session. Okay, so if for example I'm updating this kind of profile from here, that data will be get updated, it will show you in our database, that data will be get updated. But here the data is showing as it is. Why? Because all a kind of values at store in our session, and that value updated when we again log in our account. Okay, so this is the concept, and that's why I'm just writing it as a logout mapping. So every time user update their profile, their account will be getting logout, and after the login their account, there can be show their profile. Okay, so I think everything is set. Let's check it out now, it is working or not. Okay, or it will throw some kind of exception or error. Let's check it out, it is working or not. Click on finish. So our new project got open here. Okay, let's wait some time and just remove this old project and log in as a freelancer. I am logging my account from here. So gr13@gmail.com 4545. Click on enter. Here you can see I am logging my account successfully. So we have to update our profile. So I am just clicking on choose file. Okay, from here I have to choose that particular file. So I am just choose my photo from here. I just wait one more time and just choose the right photo from here. So I will be look more smarter here. Okay, just wait. Okay, this one is good. Open, and I'm just changing my name, that is only Gaurav Patil. Okay, Gaurav Patil. I'm just changing my mobile number, that is 9898989898. Okay, email address is equal to Gaurav Patil YouTube @gmail.com. LinkedIn is equal to Gaurav Patil gr13. Okay, this one is okay. Education is BTech, as well as I'm writing here as a diploma. Okay, basic charge for your work, I'm just writing here as a 75,000, and I'm just writing here my skills. Okay, so I'm finally writing my skill here, that is Java, Spring MVC, Spring Boot. Okay, JSP, JDBC, also REST API. Okay, Hibernate. Okay, so this thing is done. Let's click on a save profile. Click on here. Okay, it will showing us that web pages logon freelancer.jsp not found. Okay, the problem is that we have to check to a controller, and logout freelancer is not found. That will showing us that kind of error. Okay, let's check it out in our database. Now data is updated or not. Let's refresh it, and here you can see our data is successfully updated here. For example, name is Gaurav Patil YouTube 9898. My date of birth is as it is. LinkedIn, here you can see Gaurav Patil 13, BTech diploma, image is also updated 75,000, and here you can see my skill is also updated. So I'm just fix this error. Before that, I'm just re-login my account from here. Okay, so I'm just clicking on logout and I'm just logging here. So Gaurav Patil GR13 4545. I think I changed my email address also, so I have to check that what kind of email address I have right now. That is Gaurav Patil YouTube. Okay, I'm just writing here YouTube. Click on login, and here you can see I successfully log into my account. Why my profile not showing me? That is, I have to click on a refresh from here. So data got refreshed from here. Okay, so I'm just refresh this page. Here you can see now my data is came here. This is my beautiful profile picture, and here you can see our data is successfully updated from here. That is my profile picture as well as name, uh, mobile number, email address, everything is okay. So what kind of this problem we have to fix it right now? Okay, so we have to check to our previous mapping of our company controller. Here you can see this one is a company controller, and we have to check here what kind of error is that. So here you can see this one is our update mapping, and here you can see the login company. Okay, so we have to write here as a login company. So we have done that mistake. So we have to come to our freelancer controller, and we have to put here the login mapping, so it will redirect on a login page. So we have to choose our login mapping from here. So I'm just copy this login mapping from here, simply copy it, and we have to put this mapping on a below. So here you can see this one, we have to paste this mapping and click on a rerun our project. Okay, so run on server, click on next and finish. So now we will check it out. Now it will forward me on a login page or not. So we have to again update that particular data from here. So I'm just writing as a this one. I'm to write here as a YouTube 4545 login. What kind of error is that? You don't have account. Okay, I'm just checking my email address again. YouTube. Okay, password is 4545. Click on enter. Okay, I'm just login my account. I'm just update this profile again. So I'm just writing my name as a Ramesh Patil. Phone number again 8989898989. Then email address is as it is, that is Gaurav Patil gr13@gmail.com. LinkedIn is as it is gr. I'm just removing the diploma from here. Okay, charge 45,000. Okay, and I'm just adding one more skill that is React.js. Okay, React.js, and I have to choose the profile photo. I'm just choose my profile photo from here, and I have to choose the profile photo. I'm just one more minute. I'm just okay. This one is good. Okay, click on a save profile. So here you can see it will redirect me on a login page. Let's check it out. Our data is updated here or not. I'm just writing my previous email address, and here you can see my data is successfully updated here. My name, also mobile number, also email address, LinkedIn, and everything is updated. Here you can see React.js. I have to refresh my project. Okay, refresh, and just refresh this page also. Here you can see this one is my image is come here. Okay, so this is all about today's video. In this video we discuss about how we can update our profile. Okay, so this kind of things we discuss in this video. Okay, in next video I have to check our database of company. Okay, take Mahindra and 4545. So from the next video we are starting again our company model, and in our company model we will discuss about how we can post our job, we can post the job in our portal. Okay, so I am just logging here as a company. So I'm just writing at take Mahindra and 4545. Click on enter, and here you can see in next video we will discuss about how we can post the job throughout this project. Okay, so this kind of things we discuss in our next video. So this will be a very interesting part. Okay, you can learn everything, and you will be get the more benefits from that. Okay, so this is all about today's video. If you want to source code, you can check out the GitHub repository, And if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in next video.